Define Riemann integration of bounded function over a closed interval AB. Defined of a bounded function over a closed interval AB. Solution. Let fx be a bounded function AB. B. Define the closed interval AB by the finite number of points a is equal to x0 less than x1 less than x2 less than 2 less than xr minus 1 less than xr less than 2 less than xn is equal to 0, and let close interval xr minus 1 xr be any subinterval, and let del r be the length of subinterval mod xr xr minus 1 that is del r is equal to mod xr minus 1. Let small mr and capital MR be the lower and upper bound of closed interval xr minus 1 xr, that is fxr minus 1 is equal to mr and fxr is equal to capital MR. We defined LPF means lower partition function is equal to summation of n r is equal to 1 m r del r, and UPF upper partition function is equal to summation of n r is equal to 1 m r del r, capital M del r. Again we define that m small m and capital M be to be a lower and upper bounds of fx close interval a b. Therefore small m less equal to small m r less equal to capital M r less equal to m. Summation of m n r is equal to 1 m del r less equal to summation of n r is equal to 1 m r del r less equal to summation of n r is equal to 1 capital M r del r less equal to summation of n r is equal to 1 m r del r m del r m del r. Therefore m summation of n r is equal to 1 del r less equal to here LPF summation of n r is equal to 1 m r del r is equal to LPF less equal to summation of n r is equal to 1 m r del r is equal to UPF is equal to m summation of n r is equal to 1 del r m is equal m into summation of del r is equal to del 1 plus del 2 plus del 3 plus 2 dot plus del n less equal to LPF less equal to UPF less equal to m into del 1 plus del 2 plus del 2 2 dot plus del n m into del 1 is equal to x1 minus x0 x0 plus x2 minus x1 plus x3 minus x2 plus 2 dot plus xn minus 1 less equal to LPF less equal to UPF less equal to m into del 1 is equal to x1 minus x0 plus x2 minus x1 plus x3 minus x2 plus 2 dot plus xn minus 1 x plus x1 minus x1 plus x2 minus 1 और x minus xn minus 1 यहाँ UPF x1 minus x1 x2 minus 1 similarly minus xn minus 1 m into xn minus x0 less equal to LPF less equal to UPF less equal to m xn minus x0 x naught m, let xn is equal to b and x naught is equal to a। कोई भी स्केलर पॉइंट मान लेते हैं। LPF is equal to UPF is equal to m b minus a। Therefore LPF and UPF lies between two infinite number and hence both exist। Now LPF denoted by LPF equal to limit a tends to b minus a tends to b fx dx, and UPF is equal to a2 minus b fx dx if these two integral are equal, then fx is called R-intrical and R-integration is equal to a to b a tends to b fx dx